Welcome to our yummy kitchen. Let's learn the alphabet with delicious food. I'm hungry. Let's cook some letters. A is for apple pie, sweet and warm. B is for burger. Look at those cheesy layers. I'm the king of the burger mountain. Oops, slippery. C is for cookie, crunchy and chocolatey. Gotcha. Oh no, cookies are heavy. Help! D is for donut, with sprinkles on top. I'm a circus frog. Ta-da! Look at me go! E is for egg sandwich. Breakfast is ready. I'm glowing. I'm a golden froggy now. Yay!
F is for French fries. Salty and crunchy. Hey! They're jumping. Come back here, fries.
G is for grapes. Cold and sweet like candy.
My tummy an icebox.
H is for hot dog. A grilled yummy treat. Wait, did that sandwich just bark at me? I is for ice cream. The coolest treat of all. Whee! I'm riding a strawberry mountain. J is for jelly beans. So many colors to choose.
Boing! Boing! They're like little jumping beans.
K is for ketchup. Tangy and red. Look, it's a floating heart. Come back here. L is for lollipop. A big swirly treat. Whoa, the colors are moving. I'm getting dizzy. M is for muffin. Fresh from the oven. Dancing blueberries. Chew. Oops, they're back. N is for nachos. Look at that stretchy cheese. I'm a tightrope froggy. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. O is for orange juice. So fresh and zingy.
I'm hopping on orange clouds. Pop! Pop!
P is for pizza. Everyone's favorite treat.
Check out my pizza beats.
Q is for quesadilla. Cheesy and toasted. They have wings! Come back, cheesy birds! R is for roast chicken. Perfectly golden.
Look at those drumsticks go. Do the chicken dance.
S is for strawberry shortcake. Sweet and fluffy. Boing! I'm bouncing on whipped cream clouds. T is for taco. Crunch into the fun. It's a taco party. Arriba! U is for upside down cake. Everything is topsy-turvy. Whoa! The floor is the ceiling. Catch that, pineapple. E is for vanilla shake. Smooth and creamy. Brain freeze. But it's so good. W is for waffle. Look at those syrup pools. Splash! I'm a sticky swimming champion. X is for xylophone candy. Music you can eat. That note tasted like strawberry. Oops. Y is for yogurt bowl. Z is for zucchini bread, our final yummy treat.